Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Friends, in today's video I am going to show you how to send thousands of mail or you can say mail merge using your smartphone without using any desktop, laptop or any paid apps using Outlook or Gmail within 10 minutes only. To get started, you need to have 3 apps installed in your mobile. Number 1, Microsoft Excel. Number 2, Microsoft Word. And the number 3 is Outlook, that you can just download it from Play Store and it's totally free of cost. So I have already got a Excel sheet containing 6000 email addresses in it. I'm going to use that database for this video. Clicking here Excel will open an Excel and you can just see I have already got a file bulk mail test. I'm simply going to click over here and it will open a file for me. You can just see it has got 6000 email addresses. Now we have to select this entire A column. A, B, C, all these are the column name, and 1, 2, 3, 4 in the left side are the rows. I have to select this entire column A. So simply click on this A and we will choose copy. As soon as we do this copy, the next step is to go back to the main screen and open our MS Word. Simply click on this plus sign on the right side and choose blank document. Then you have to paste the entire content that you have copied from Excel over here in MS Word. So simply click anywhere in this blank document and it will give an option of paste. So just don't do this paste simply. You have to click on this down arrow just side to this paste, because paste will paste the entire data from the Excel sheet in the same formatting, but we need it to be in a simple text only. So we will choose keep text only. Click here. It will take some time to paste over here and it's done. You can just see it is simple text without any formatting. Now going back on the top, at the top. Now we are at the top here and each email address is showing onto the new line. I just need to arrange it in an Outlook format. For this, we need to have semicolon at the last of each email address, then as separator. So we need to just find each line break and replace it with a semicolon. For this, be in the home menu, click this arrow. It's in the home menu, you can see on the left side, and scroll it down. You can just see at the last an option given is find. Click on this find. Now click here and choose this sign caret and type P. Then click on search. Then click here next. It has started searching for new line, but we need to replace this new line with a symbol semicolon, because according to Outlook we need semicolon as separator between two email addresses. So again click on the left side here and there are many options, but you need to choose replace. Click replace and you can see on the top replace and replace all is given there, but in the text area we need to type replace with what. So I will just type here semicolon and click on replace all. Wait for some time, it will replace all new line with a semicolon in front of it. It will take some time because it's a very huge database, so be patient. It's almost done. Now I will just zoom and show you. See, it's showing semicolon after each email address. You can just check it out. So our job is done in MS Word right now. Next we need to go on to the top and start selecting some of my email addresses up to one page or two three pages randomly. I have clicked here and start selecting some of my email address. Up till now I will go till I have to check it out till .com. I have selected. It will give an option, so you need to click on copy. Now go back to the main screen and choose Outlook. Click on compose new mail, then write down your own email address. So for now I am writing here xyz@gmail.com. Now in the subject write down trial mail. You write down your own subject, whatever is suitable for you. Then in the body of the mail I am typing test mail. You write down your own matter. So everything is done. Now we need to paste all the email address that we have copied from doc file in BCC. So click on this arrow down, and instead of CC you have to choose BCC. BCC stands for black carbon copy, so it won't show other receivers the email addresses. So hold down for a few seconds, it will give an option of paste. Click here on paste. Wait for some time because it's a mobile version, so it will take few seconds as per your net speed. So my net speed is slow, so it will take some time. Now you can see everything is done. It has arranged all my email addresses in BCC properly. Our job is to do is click just on this arrow and send. It will say sending mail. Sending, and it's done. All mails are sent. So this way you can again go back to your doc file, and you have selected till here. The next job is to click here after that the last email address and start pulling it down. Then copy again and go back to Outlook. Then again compose new and same procedure again. This way you can do mail merge using your mobile, or you can say send thousands of mail per day using your mobile without using any paid app, desktop or laptop. Very simple way, 10 to 15 minutes it will take to send more than 5000 mail. If you have any query, write down in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel and support me. I have already created a video on this topic in Hindi. If you want to watch the Hindi version, I will just leave the link in the description below. Go and click there. In the meanwhile, your support is important to us. Please like the video, share the video, press bell icon for new video notification, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching video and your support.